Just go get him. Say, come on, monkey. Mommy.
Come on. Come on. Come on, monkey. Come on. Come on.
Go get him.
No.
Why not?
I want to stop. No.
You don't have to pull his arm. Just go get him.
No.
Why not?
Because I'm not have to.
Because you don't have to?
No. Mm-mm.
Are you scared?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you scared?
I'm trying to monkey. Daddy throw it.
Daddy can't throw it if he doesn't have it.
I can look.
Well, go see it.
No.
You don't like that monkey, do you?
No, big monkey. Big.
Should mommy go get it?
No.
You sure? You want me to go get it? Is this the monkey you're afraid of?
No.
Want to hold it?
No. No. I don't like monkey. No. I don't like it.
Tell Daddy he needs to throw it away.
Yes. Here. Here, Dad. You can have it.